Imagine you wake up tomorrow and you feel proud, calm, and happy. You have a job you like, a body that feels healthy, and people around you who love and respect you. This kind of tomorrow is not magic. It does not come from luck. It comes from the small choices you make today. That is why we say, your tomorrow depends on today. Many people think about the future only as a dream. They say, one day I will learn English. One day I will travel. One day I will change my life. But one day is not a real day on the calendar. There is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, but there is no one day. If you always wait for a perfect time, nothing changes. Tomorrow stays the same as yesterday. To change your tomorrow, you must start with one simple step today. Today is powerful because it is the only time you can really use. Yesterday is already gone. You cannot go back and study more, eat better, or speak kinder words. Tomorrow is not here yet. You cannot work or learn in tomorrow. You can only plan it. The only place where you can act is today. Every minute today is like a small seed. If you put the seed in the ground and take care of it, it becomes a tree in the future. If you do nothing, you have no tree, only empty ground. Think about your goals. Maybe you want to speak English confidently. Maybe you want to be stronger, or you want to save money and feel safe. These goals all live in tomorrow, but the road to them starts now. When you study 10 new words today, your English tomorrow is a little better. When you drink water instead of soda today, your body tomorrow is a little healthier. When you put a little money in a jar today, your savings tomorrow are a little bigger. Each small action is like one brick in a big house. You cannot build the house in one day, but you can put one brick on the wall each day. Sometimes we think big change must come from big action. We wait for a new year, a birthday, or a big event to start. But the truth is different. Big change usually comes from small habits. For example, reading 10 minutes every night, walking for 15 minutes after dinner, or writing your thoughts in a notebook before sleep. These habits are easy, but if you repeat them many days, they will change your life. Your tomorrow self will say thank you for the things you do today. Of course, there are also choices that hurt your tomorrow. When you stay up very late and look at your phone for hours, tomorrow you feel tired and slow. When you speak badly to someone because you are angry, tomorrow your relationship with that person is more difficult. When you always say, I will start later, tomorrow you feel guilty and weak because you did not keep your promise to yourself. It is important to see this connection. Your feelings tomorrow are often the result of your decisions today. Maybe you say, but my life is busy. I have work, family, many problems. I cannot do big things today. This feeling is normal. Many people feel the same. The good news is that you do not need big things. You only need small, clear actions. If you are tired, maybe you cannot study English for 2 hours, but you can listen to a short English audio while you wash the dishes. If you have no time for the gym, you can still stretch your body for 5 minutes before bed. When you look for small chances, you see that today always gives you something. Another important idea is to be in control of your life. When you understand that your tomorrow depends on today, you also understand that your choices are important. It is easy to blame other people or things around you. We say, I am like this because of my parents, my boss, my country, my past. Some things are really not your fault. But if you only blame, you give your power away. When you say, I cannot change anything, tomorrow becomes just a copy of today. When you say, I cannot control everything, but I can choose one small good action today, you take your power back. One helpful way to use today better is to ask yourself simple questions. In the morning, you can ask, what is one small thing I can do today that will help my tomorrow? The answer can be very simple. Study 15 minutes, drink more water, talk kindly to someone, clean my room for 10 minutes, or turn off my phone 1 hour earlier. In the evening, you can ask, did I do something today that my tomorrow self will be happy about? These two questions can gently push you in a better direction. It is also important to forgive yourself for old mistakes. Maybe you wasted many yesterdays. Maybe you promised to change, but you did not. That is okay. You are human. You can feel sad for a moment, but do not stay there. You cannot change the past, but you can change your next step. Today can be the first day of a new story. Even if you start slowly, it is still a start. Walking is always better than standing still. Remember that progress is not a straight line. Some days you will use your time well. You will feel proud. Other days you will be lazy or tired. You will make bad choices. This is normal. Do not throw away your whole plan because of one bad day. Tomorrow is another chance, but it still depends on what you choose when tomorrow becomes today. The secret is to stand up again and return to your small good habits. Think for a moment about the person you want to be in 1 year. How do they look? How do they talk? How do they spend their time? Try to see this future version of you very clearly in your mind. Then ask, what would that person do today? Maybe they wake up a little earlier. Maybe they read instead of looking at social media. Maybe they say no to something that wastes their time. When you act like your future self now, you move closer to that person. At the end of the day, your tomorrow depends on today is not just a nice sentence. It is a soft warning and also a beautiful promise. It warns you that if you are not careful, you can build a tomorrow that is full of stress, sadness, and tiredness. But it also promises that if you use today with care, you can build a tomorrow that is full of peace, strength, and hope. You do not need to be perfect. You only need to start where you are, use what you have, and do what you can today. Your future is not written yet. With every small action you take now, you are writing the next page of your life.